Imagine this. A vast underwater conveyor belt moves heat and nutrients around the planet, ensuring climates stay balanced and ecosystems thrive. This system, known as the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, or AMOC, is absolutely vital to life as we know it. But today, scientists are raising alarms. This crucial system could be far more unstable than we realized. The delicate balance that has sustained life for millennia is being threatened by our actions, our emissions, our very footprint upon this planet. What will become of this hidden heartbeat, the pulse that drives our oceans and dictates our climate? The answer, I'm afraid, lies in our hands. To truly comprehend the immense power and significance of the AMOC, we must embark on a journey deep beneath the surface of the vast Atlantic Ocean. This is where the story of one of Earth's most crucial systems begins. Here in the depths, a colossal and intricate system of currents churns relentlessly, driven by subtle yet powerful differences in temperature and salinity. These forces create a dynamic and ever-changing underwater landscape. Warm, salty water from the sun-drenched tropics, infused with the sun's energy, embarks on a northward journey towards the icy realms of the Arctic. This journey is a vital part of the AMOC's grand cycle. As it flows, this warm current carries with it the very breath of the tropics, a life-sustaining warmth that reaches the farthest corners of the northern hemisphere, nurturing marine life and influencing climates. Upon reaching the colder, denser waters of the North Atlantic, this warm current surrenders its precious heat, becoming denser and heavier. It then begins its long, slow descent back towards the south, completing a crucial part of the cycle. This continuous cycle, this grand oceanic ballet, is the AMOC in action. It is a dance of water and energy that has been ongoing for millennia, shaping our world in profound ways. But its influence extends far beyond the Atlantic basin. The AMOC's reach is global, affecting oceans and climates around the world. Like a masterful conductor leading an intricate symphony, the AMOC orchestrates weather patterns across the globe, ensuring a delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. It influences the intensity of monsoons, dictates the distribution of rainfall, and even plays a crucial role in regulating the planet's temperature. Its impact is felt in every corner of the globe. It is, in essence, the engine of our global climate system, driving the processes that make our planet habitable and dynamic. High in the Arctic, a dramatic transformation is underway. The once pristine landscapes of ice and snow are yielding to the relentless advance of a warming world. Glaciers, those ancient giants, are now shedding billions of tons of fresh water into the ocean each year. This influx of freshwater, less dense than the salty ocean water, disrupts the delicate balance of the AMOC. Like a cog thrown into a well-oiled machine, it threatens to disrupt the system's flow. But the melting ice caps are only one part of the story. As our atmosphere warms, it holds more moisture, leading to more frequent and intense rainfall. This, too, contributes to the freshening of the North Atlantic, further weakening the AMOC's ability to function. The very system that has regulated our planet for millennia is now under siege, its future uncertain. What would happen if this mighty ocean current, this cornerstone of our climate system, were to grind to a halt? The Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation, or AMOC, is a crucial component of Earth's climate, driving the transfer of heat and nutrients across the globe. Its collapse would not just be a scientific curiosity, but a cataclysmic event with far-reaching consequences. The consequences would be profound, reaching every corner of the globe. The AMOC's influence extends beyond the Atlantic, affecting weather patterns, sea levels, and even the health of marine ecosystems worldwide. Imagine, if you will, a world where Europe, accustomed to the moderating influence of the Gulf Stream, is plunged into a new era of bitter winters. The warmth that once kept the continent temperate would be replaced by frigid Arctic air, leading to longer, harsher winters that could last for months on end. Crops would fail, energy demands would soar, and the very fabric of society would be tested. Agriculture, which relies on predictable weather patterns, would be thrown into chaos, leading to food shortages and economic instability. Meanwhile, on the other side of the Atlantic, the eastern seaboard of North America would face a different but equally devastating threat. The loss of the AMOC's moderating effect would lead to more extreme weather events, including powerful storms and hurricanes. Without the AMOC to regulate sea levels, coastal cities would find themselves battling ever-encroaching tides. Rising sea levels would inundate low-lying areas, displacing communities and causing billions of dollars in damage. But the impacts would extend far beyond these immediate regions. The AMOC plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of global climate systems, and its collapse would send shockwaves through the atmosphere and oceans alike. The delicate balance of global rainfall patterns would be thrown into disarray, leading to intensified droughts in some areas and catastrophic floods in others. Regions that once enjoyed stable weather would face unpredictable and extreme conditions. The very ecosystems that rely on the AMOC's circulation, from the rich fishing grounds of the North Atlantic to the vibrant coral reefs of the tropics, would face unprecedented challenges. Marine life, already stressed by pollution and overfishing, would struggle to adapt to the new conditions, leading to a loss of biodiversity and the collapse of fisheries. Chapter 4. Echoes of the Past. Lessons from Ancient Climates. To understand the potential consequences of an AMOC shutdown, we need only look to the past. The Earth's history is a vast repository of climatic events that can offer us invaluable insights. Deep within the Earth's archives, locked away in ancient ice cores and sediment layers, lies a chilling tale. These natural records are like time capsules, preserving the story of our planet's climatic past. Around 12,000 years ago, as the last ice age was drawing to a close, the AMOC abruptly shut down. This event marked a significant turning point in Earth's climatic history. The cause? A massive influx of fresh water into the North Atlantic, likely from melting glaciers. This sudden change disrupted the delicate balance of ocean currents. The result? A period of rapid climate change known as the Younger Dryas, which saw temperatures in the Northern Hemisphere plummet within a matter of decades. This dramatic shift had far-reaching consequences. This period of climatic upheaval had profound impacts on life on Earth. Ecosystems were disrupted, and many species had to adapt or face extinction. Forests retreated, ice sheets expanded, and human societies were forced to adapt to the rapidly changing conditions. The resilience and adaptability of ancient humans were put to the test. The Younger Dryas serves as a stark reminder of the AMOC's power and the fragility of our climate system. It underscores the importance of understanding these ancient events to prepare for future challenges. Today, as we pump ever-increasing amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, we are essentially conducting a planet-scale experiment, one with potentially dire consequences. The latest scientific research paints a sobering picture. The AMOC is weakening, and it's happening faster than we initially predicted. Some models suggest that if we continue on our current trajectory, the AMOC could shut down entirely by the end of this century. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, a body of the world's leading climate scientists, has identified the AMOC's potential collapse as a low-probability, high-impact event. But as our understanding of the system grows, that probability seems less and less reassuring. We are standing at a crossroads, a pivotal moment in Earth's history. The choices we make today will determine the fate of the AMOC and, with it, the future of our planet. The situation is dire, but it is not hopeless. We still have a narrow window of opportunity to avert the worst consequences of climate change and protect the AMOC. The most pressing task is to drastically reduce our greenhouse gas emissions. This means transitioning away from fossil fuels and embracing renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and geothermal. It also means investing in energy efficiency, reducing deforestation, and promoting sustainable land management practices. But individual actions alone are not enough. We need systemic change, driven by bold policies and international cooperation. Governments must commit to ambitious emissions reduction targets, invest in climate-resilient infrastructure, and support developing countries in their transition to a low-carbon future. The AMOC may seem like a distant, abstract concept, something confined to the depths of the ocean, but its fate is inextricably linked to our own. This vast, unseen current sustains the climate we depend on, the food we eat, and the very air we breathe. It is a testament to the interconnectedness of our planet, a reminder that even seemingly small changes can have global ramifications. The AMOC is not just an ocean current, it is a symbol of Earth's delicate balance, a balance that we have disrupted. But it is also a symbol of hope, for within us lies the power to change course, to restore that balance, and to create a sustainable future for ourselves and for generations to come. The time to act is now, while we still have the chance. The science is clear, and the time to act is now. What will we choose to do with this knowledge? Will we stand idly by as the AMOC, this vital life support system, teeters on the brink? Or will we rise to the challenge, harness our collective ingenuity, and chart a new course for humanity? The future of the AMOC, and indeed the future of our planet, hangs in the balance. Subscribe for more Earth Echoes vibes.